Doge broke a crucial support level. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We just hit over 2,300 Telegram members. This is an absolutely free chat for those of you that want to stay up to date with my trades and my signals. Make sure to check out the link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in 35,000 on trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can see on Doge, we ended up losing a key support level here at 31 cents. Now, for those of you that were part of Telegram channel, I mentioned to you guys multiple times to pay attention to the 31-cent range. If we end up seeing a break structure, that is going to be extremely bearish. Now, even from my last YouTube video, for those of you that have watched that, I mentioned to you guys the next remaining support is at 29. Any break of that zone, and we are looking for a free fall situation. This morning, we did manage to catch some very nice shorting opportunities on Doge. So congratulations to those of you that have joined the Telegram. But looking at the overall picture as of right now, we have to be very careful. And the reason for this is zooming out on the chart. I told you guys this multiple times. The fact that the 31-cent range has been tested over and over, we are more than likely to end up seeing a break structure now that we are back in the same exact range. Usually when you end up falling in the same range multiple times, it means that the bears are definitely in control, and that usually leads to a downwards trend. You can see we ended up losing the 31-cent range, and then of course the last remaining daily was at 29. We broke below the 29 level. I told you guys if we get a candle close, that's our confirmation. We got the retest as resistance, and then a strong bearish engulfing candle, and this is where a lot of folks got liquidated. Now, of course, the question remains is what is next for Doge? You can see that the overall move set is almost complete. We have quite a few wicks here at around 26.5, but any break below this midterm support level, and Doge is looking to fall all the way back down into the 21-cent range. You can see the reason why that level is important from previous price analysis. This level acted as a resistance as well as a support retest. So that's the level I'm going to be paying attention to if, of course, we end up closing below that 26 range as of right now. I once again want to specify that we are not looking for long positions, buying opportunities, and I've been saying the same thing over and over and over. Unless, of course, we are above 35 cents, then we can start looking for a bullish confirmation. But you can see for the past few days, if not weeks, we have not been at that 35-cent level for quite a while. Yes, we had a break structure of that 35, but instead we actually rejected that level as resistance, and then we continue to have a free fall situation. Regardless of if it looks oversold or not, and I have told you guys this multiple times, the same people saying, oh, I told you to buy here, are now the same people that are underwater. Just because you see a green candle does not mean it's a buying opportunity. We need to have stronger bullish confirmations, or at least try to break above the exponential moving averages on the daily time frame for us to start looking for swing positions on Doge. But these are the levels that I would be paying attention to. I will, of course, keep you guys posted on Telegram for those trade updates, but ideally 26 cents is going to be the first midterm support level that we want to see Doge actually look for a bounce, break of that structure, and we are heading back into 21. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in 35,000 on trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have one.